Ngeba Sojola here. The Sky Shield is a German-led initiative, right, to bolster or improve the capabilities of air defense in Europe as a whole, right? Now, Germany believes that um, Europe should use current existing air defense equipment, particularly that which is used by NATO and the United States, to bolster up their air defense capabilities in the face of the war that is happening in Ukraine, right? So when the Europeans, particularly Germany, look at the war in Ukraine, they see that there is a weakness that exists in the air defense or air capabilities, right, that Europe has currently, and they need to come up with a plan, right, to improve their air defense capabilities. About 19 countries agree with the perspective or the view that Germany has in regards to bolstering up their air defense capabilities, right? But France has a different opinion and view about the situation. France does agree that the Europeans need to bolster up their air defense capabilities, right? But France believes that Europeans should develop their own, right? Their own um, air defense capabilities. Germany argues that yes, they do agree that Europe should develop its own, but they don't really have time to do that because they are faced with a growing threat that is coming from the direction of Russia, right? I think Italy is also backing France in this regard, right, in developing their own European based air defense capabilities that will have the ability to integrate into the NATO infrastructure. Now, when we speak of the Sky Shield that the Europeans are trying to develop to bolster their air capabilities, their air defense capabilities, right? We are fundamentally speaking of three types of air defense systems, right, that are working together and in sync, right? The first main one is known as the Arrow 3, which is manufactured by the US and Israel, right? This is the main air defense system that the Europeans want to introduce into their Sky Shield, right? The second air defense system that they want to introduce is known as the Patriot PAC-3 air defense system, right? This is an American made air defense system, right, that has the ability to shoot down long to medium range missiles or aerial threats, right? There will be about 12 of this system which will be integrated into the Sky Shield, right? And then the third type of system that you get is known as the Iris-T SLM air defense system, which is made in Germany, right? It is believed that about 6 of these systems would be integrated, right, into the 12 Patriot systems and the one main Arrow 3 system, right? So this is basically what we are speaking about when we speak about the Sky Shield to bolster the European air defense capabilities.